What up, gang? We're in Waikiki. It's August 2023. Haven't done an update in a while. I think the last video was a year ago. So you still have the free parking over by the Waikiki Shell Park. And then you have the paid parking by the zoo. $1 an hour. It is Sunday. Beautiful Waikiki day. We got all the volleyball going on and all the boats out there anchored in the good spots for swimming. Volleyball's not huge here like California, but they do it now here on the weekends. Pretty cool. Not sure if it's a club or just like pickup kind. Might be able to just go and play. Decent following. All the monkeys were going crazy at the zoo earlier. It sounded super cool. Waikiki is packed. Almost no spots in the zoo I checked. And then the free parking, I only had about 20 spots left. It's 1:30. Look at the beach. Haven't been Waikiki in a while. Out here playing tourists. Check this out. Oh, surf spot too. Queens and Canoes is packed. Looks like got rideable 1 to 2 max. Go out on the little walls. If you don't know, this is called walls. This is the little kids zone, we call it. Kids beach. This is where you can bomb off the wall. That's what you do. Oh, this thing's beat over the years. They never fix them. There we go. Yeah, it pushes you away usually.
Oh, yeah?
This side's super shallow, and this side's more deep. So when there's not big waves, you gotta go this side. Had Duke's Ocean Fest. Packed beach right in front of Duke's statue. When you come into the Waikiki Aloha Harbor, you also have the secured pay lot in the beginning. It's $1 per hour. And then I'll show you the free spots in the back. Kind of crazy. They have all these paid spots right in the front, and then in the back you can park for free. And they got this hot dog. Ice cream and hot dogs. What else do you need on a 90-degree day? If you want some good pizza and a little tiny hole-in-the-wall bar, you go to this Chart House. Harbor Pub. They got decent prices and really good pizza, surprisingly. A lot of the people that live on their boats go there. Alright, so there is still free parking near the lagoon and the Aloha Harbor. It's Sunday, it's completely packed. You'd have to wait for a spot more than likely. It's right next to the lagoon. Here, you can check it out. Easy to find. Lunch truck there. And then you have the dollar parking over there. I'll show you the dollar parking over there. Alright, it's an update. Free parking spots in Waikiki. It's August 2023. Like and subscribe. Hook us up. More content to come. Alright, aloha.